Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you some tips and tricks on how to take care of colored hair. If you've recently dyed your hair or you're thinking about getting a new hair color, it's essential to know how to take care of it properly so that it looks vibrant and healthy for as long as possible. Firstly, let's talk about the importance of choosing the right products for colored hair. Regular shampoos and conditioners can strip the color from your hair, so it's important to use products specifically designed for colored hair. Look for shampoos and conditioners that are sulfate-free and contain ingredients like keratin, which can help strengthen and protect your hair. Next, let's talk about how often you should wash your colored hair. Ideally, you should try to wash your hair as infrequently as possible, as each wash can strip away some of the colors. Aim to wash your hair no more than every other day, and try to use dry shampoo in between washes to keep your hair looking fresh. When you do wash your hair, make sure you're using lukewarm water rather than hot water. Hot water can open up your hair cuticles and cause your color to fade more quickly. Lukewarm water, on the other hand, will help to seal in the color and keep it looking vibrant. Another important aspect of colored hair care is protecting your hair from heat damage. If you frequently use heat styling tools like hair dryers, straighteners, or curling irons, it's important to use a heat protectant spray or serum to prevent damage to your hair. Additionally, try to limit your use of these tools as much as possible, and when you do use them on the lowest heat setting possible. In addition to using the right products and protecting your hair from heat damage, it's also important to get regular trims to keep your hair healthy. Even if you're trying to grow your hair out, getting regular trims can help to prevent split ends and breakage, which can make your hair look dull and lifeless. Finally, let's talk about how to maintain your color between salon visits. One great way to keep your color looking fresh is to use a color depositing shampoo or conditioner. These products contain small amounts of hair dye that can help to refresh your color between salon visits. Just be sure to choose a product that matches your hair color and use it sparingly, as using too much can lead to oversaturation and uneven color. Taking care of colored hair requires a little extra effort, but the results are well worth it. By using the right products, washing your hair infrequently, protecting it from heat damage, getting regular trims, and maintaining your color between salon visits, you can keep your hair looking vibrant and healthy for as long as possible. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks.